The sand picture is a nice decoration because it always looks different due to the sand patterns. Flip it over and watch as the elements change places. You can control the airflow to speed up or slow down the sand's movement. This is a 10-inch subwoofer with a peak power of 800 watts that you can place under your car seat to enhance your bass experience. Cast aluminum enclosure ensures excellent heat dissipation, while a spider speaker protector and an LED ambient light ring illuminated by blue LEDs upon ignition enhance the look. The Seawolf pump allows you to inflate your SUP or any other inflatable item in minutes. Its high-pressure 350-liter per minute airflow can prepare your SUP in less than 7 minutes. The high-capacity battery can inflate up to 8 SUPs at once. Consider this NEBO light for your garage because it's 11 times brighter and installs just like any other ordinary bulb. Its 4 panels are rotatable by 90 degrees, so feel free to adjust the light direction. What's cool is that the bulb is energy efficient. It uses the same amount of energy as an ordinary bulb. This is a capsule where you can keep small items like pills or cash safe and sound. 3 spikes inside can turn it into a grappling hook, perfect for fishing tackle boxes, self-defense, and even for holding multiple bags weighing up to 130 pounds. Alternatively, you can use the spikes as toothpicks. It looks like a lighter, but it's a screwdriver with 8 hex bits that perfectly fit in your pocket. 2 magnetic beds make it even more convenient for fixing things on the go. Clip it to your pocket or hang it on a lanyard, it's up to you. Finally, it's made of titanium, so it'll last a lifetime. This dent puller kit includes all the tools needed to fix dents of any size and shape. It contains several suction cups, puller tabs, strong glue sticks, and a glue gun. A rubber hammer is included to flatten areas that are often distorted due to excessive tension.